Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to another weekly analysis. I'm going to be fast because I'm recording this around 4:15 p.m. Nigerian time. So I need to post this out before the end of today. Okay. So without wasting time, let's look at what we have for the week. So on NAS 100, we are going to start with NAS 100. You can see that the market respected our opening price as I explained. Okay, I was expecting it to get here. This level was also on my radar, but price respected from here. Now, if you did not take the entry here, you don't need to worry yourself. All right, so this week ended bullish and with a strong bullish candle. This is a rejection, demand stepping here, all right, and drove the price high. While a lot of people were talking about the Japanese yen strength as a result of the intervention, I was focused on buying here. All right, now the reason is this: when you follow the news, what the news simply do is to tell you what has happened. And remember, the market is efficient all the time. All right, so all those news, all those information has already been priced in. So all we need to do is simply react to the market. I react, I don't predict. Okay, so price came in here, I was anticipating for a buy. So in this case, we have this rejection, then we go to daily. Now, from that rejection, we created this level. We created this level. Whenever there is an imbalance between the opening and the closing price, okay, you can see this is the closing price and the opening price was far away. Always return price back, because this is simply manipulation. Okay, this is manipulation. It simply means, like, when it went down, a lot of people were like, oh, you can see that the market has priced even lower, maybe price will start heading south. But no, price rejected, and all that happened here was simply a form of mismatching of price. So you have to rebalance it by using the closing price here. So this is a fresh demand level. All right, this is a fresh demand level which I will expect to start looking for trades. Then if I go to the daily, I have on the daily some different opening price. But if price can be so nice, if market can be so nice to come back down here, we can take a buy, but we simply have to wait. Now, with the way I trade, you don't have to rush. I see some people message me that they've missed an entry and they try to get entry anywhere. This level is a good level as well to take a trade. Yeah. All right. So on the 4-hour, if you can see anything close here on the 4-hour, yes, that is my area. So this area now, I can decide to do an intraday. Yeah. If it takes me out, then I'll wait. This is a more better area. But if you want to be part of the market in terms of intra and scalping, this level is for you. All right, all you need to do is wait for price to come in, and then you scalp. Where will be your target? The first target will be this high here, this supply area here. Then the next one could be this. Simply, you are targeting the opening price as your take profit. So this is what I have on NAS. NAS is pretty bullish. All right, so we have this area. If that place takes us out, then we focus below here. US 30 also mirrors the NAS 100. So as you can see, in US 30, the price actually came to our level and then rejected. This is a strong rejection. In fact, it rejected both demand level. henceforth you'll be seeing me using the word demand level. I'm working on a video to explain why a lot of people miss it when it comes to demand and supply. But for now, be familiar with my word demand level. This is a demand level. This is another demand level. Okay. So we have this strong rejection. So we have two demand pushing the price higher. So on the daily, on our daily here, we still have this rejection. I started an entry here, and price, I'm still holding it anyway. I'm still holding that. And then if you want to be part of it, if price can come back down to this level, do not hesitate to pull the trigger. Okay, if not, we continue pushing higher. All right, if the market is so kind, we have a good buy at a discount, and then we push price to the upside. So on the 4 hour now, on the 4 hour, this level is not fresh, so I don't think this level was tapped in. For those of you who like scalping, this is your scalping area within here. You take your entry, and then it will give you some few pips, you are out of that market. So it all depends on what kind of trader are you. For me, I prefer holding my trades longer. All right, I prefer holding my trades longer because in the long run, it gives you stability. It gives you the opportunity to focus on other things instead of looking at your chart all day. Okay, all I need to do, this move here, I'm already break even. All right, if price come back down, takes me out, there's no worries. I will look for another setup. They are always there. So that is on US 30. On gold, you can see the rejection on the demand level here on the opening price. So we rejected this. The daily, on the daily we have, let me see, I don't know if I'm to plot a graph, a Excel graph, a trend line here. Maybe this is something I can play with. All right, let me leave that trend line there. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so in this case here, one thing about gold, when gold pushes, it may not come back if the market really want to push higher. But what I can see is that I will work on the resistance. Is there any resistance we have? Yes, there's a resistance here, which is a supply area that sponsored this move to the downside. So I will not be buying into supply. We are close. So let's see if this level can give us a nice entry around this trend, and then we push higher. All right, so for me, if you have not taken any entry from here, simply relax. As I do my midweek analysis, I will alert you. And that reminds me, you have to be part of my newsletter. If you are part of the newsletter, I release midweek analysis during the middle of the week. Like it could be Tuesday, it could be Wednesday, to update you on the current direction of this market. All right, if for any reason price decided to change bearish, it might change in the middle of the week, and then before I do the weekly analysis, you already missed it. All right, so the idea of the midweek analysis is for you to be well abreast with happenings around the market. So whenever there's any shift in the direction, I will simply send you an email within that week, and then you can take advantage of it and understand that now the market has changed. Because to be successful in trading, you just have to get your direction right. To be successful in trading, you have to get your direction right. So that is the key. If you can get the direction right, all you need to do is simply work on your entry. That is why I take my time to show you the direction. Then based on whatever skill you trade, whatever strategy you trade, you can refine that. Once you know that, okay, Raba have analyzed gold to be bullish, all I need to do now is to use my entry strategy to capitalize on that move. If you do that for a longer time, you'll see that your win rate will drastically improve and you'll be more consistent when it comes to trading Forex. So you have to be part of the community. Come join the newsletter so that you don't miss this opportunity as it happens. Check the link. The first link in the description is my newsletter. So for gold, I will be patient enough. I don't want to sell unless the direction changes. But for me, I see a strong bullish push on gold. But by the way, 1 minute, let me take this off. Oh, this is a strong supply area on the weekly. Remember, bullish, and now we went down. So we have a fresh weekly level here, which can sponsor that move. Okay, so this is an area I will be looking to sell. I will sell here. All right, I will sell into this area. So if I go to the 4 hour, beautiful, that is a good sell area. So capitalize on that. But for now, there are no confirmation. It's simply a form of anticipation, okay, that the market will go lower. So for me to get a very nice entry, this is my entry here. Once price comes to this level 2453, okay, 0.3 something, I will be looking for a way to sell. Okay, but if you're not too sure, you can simply wait for confirmations. Okay, I have other ways to confirm the direction of the market. But the level is clean. Very clean for a sell. Okay, now remember, as you're selling, watch out for the demand area. All right, the demand area, the first target will be this level here. Second target is just the opening prices will be your target. All right, and then if I go to the 1 hour, do you have any special thing? So as you can see how I analyze that market without selling into or buying into resistance or buying into supply area. Okay, so you should know the best price to buy and sell. From there, we are still in indices. Okay, I'm done with NAS 100, US 30. This is gold. So let's quickly look at FTSE. I won't be able to cover all, but during the midweek analysis, I think I will cover more, and I'll also add pictures for you within the emails so that you simply understand it at a glance with annotations. So do not use the link, join my newsletter, so that we build a powerful winning community. So we have this level, strong rejection. All right, then the daily is still bearish. I'll be selling heavily from here. All right, I'll be selling heavily from here when price gets in here. So if you didn't take this entry, maybe because you just joined the channel, you just saw my video for the first time, no panic. Price has already left. There's no point you chasing the shadows. So you simply wait for good opportunities and then see if you can react to the downside. All right, but for me, if I want to continue going bullish, let's have a look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, we have this level. So you can try intraday scalping here. This is your target. This is your target. Anything above this, you can double up on your buy. Anything above that, you can double up on your buy. All right, so this is what I simply have for the market. The direction is bullish until you get to this point here, where you now sit back and reevaluate your direction. Let's get to pounds USD. Pounds USD, Let's see what happened. We had a strong rejection from this opening price. Yeah, this was a form of supply. Now is a demand area. All right, I will tell you why I call it demand area. So price rejected there. It didn't get to our preferred area. I would have preferred it to be, yeah. By the way, let's see, was the weekly bearish? This push is simply what I called coming down for no reason based on my strategy. All right, so I think we should continue pushing higher on this pair. So on the daily, I'll simply wait for confirmation. Okay, I'll wait for confirmation. But if you don't want to wait for confirmation, you can double up on the 4-hour intraday basis. You can be buying there. If that place do not hold, yes, you hold. So we have this kind of setup here. Up, then this will go up. All right, so this is what I have on pounds USD. Also, let me know the currency pair you prefer, because right now I just have to quickly round up this video because I'm recording it late. But let me know in the comment section other pairs you would like me to analyze so that I can include them in my analysis. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. After that, we call it a day. Let me clear all of this. Okay, let's see. There was a strong rejection somewhere here. Okay, yeah, I think I can use this level here. But though it is multiple touch, but it's still applicable. Then let's look at the push up. What sponsored the push? Which demand area sponsored the push to the upside? This. And do we have this level? No. We have this level. Yeah. Good. Let me take off this. So let's see. I like this. There will be a bullish push, but I don't know if price comes back down, that will be better. But it might take some time. All right. But what I can see is I see this level. I see that level there. Then within 4 hours, we don't have fresh level. Price may decide to come back down. So if it comes back down during the midweek analysis, I might give you an update, or I will give you an update on Euro USD. So join my newsletter so that I can update you on Euro USD. All right. Because right now, those levels I'm seeing, to me, they are not strong to keep pushing price. So price may decide to come back down. All right. So for you to know the exact place to capitalize on this, join the weekly newsletter. On that note, don't forget, if you are new, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and then I hope you have a beautiful week. Au revoir.